What's up, guys? So we're on the way to the shop right now. I just got off of work. We're gonna be working on the KZ today. I'm gonna get started on cutting it up and hacking it up and, you know, just generally ruining the bike. We're gonna get started installing that rear seat boot. So I'll see you guys when I get back there. It's about 40 degrees outside, so let's hope these lights work today. So as I said earlier, we're gonna be putting the rear seat hoop on the KZ. My plan is to cut it off somewhere around in here, and I would like this to end almost in that area. I'm trying to keep it the back of the seat to end right over the rear axle. So obviously I'm going to have to cut it here and also shorten this one up. But I really don't have any clue what I'm doing, so we're just going to kind of wing it. I got a tape measure. We're going to do it halfway right, but I don't have a marker anywhere. First though, I've got to take some stuff off. Got to take the fender off, the seat off, and so cue time lapse now. I'm going to try to cut it here first and then see if maybe I can cut along this line so I can keep this piece here, keep that looking nice. So as you can see, I wasn't really expecting that. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but if I cut down here, that gap's just gonna get bigger. Not really sure. I think I'm gonna try and cut. Not sure what I'm gonna do here. Need to think about this a minute. Alright, so that idea didn't work. I think we're just going to cut it all the way back. Now that I've done this, I'm feeling a lot better about it. I think I'm gonna have to cut these seat supports mounts off, and on here I'm just gonna take, when I build my battery tray, and weld a flat piece over top of this to cover that up and kind of curve it. I just gotta cut it down now. Just need to keep at least 3/4 of an inch right here. Slide those frame slugs in. What's up, guys? It's next day. Got late last night. I had some other things I needed to do, so I didn't finish the bike. Got the rear end all chopped off. Holy. I missed that. I didn't get that on GoPro. I just caught myself on fire. Whew. I need water. Oh my God. Well, you guys missed that. I have literally been here 5 minutes, and I was bent over looking at the bike, and this freaking thing caught my shirt on fire. I'm walking back in here and I'm like, God, my back's hot. I wasn't standing that close to that thing. I look over my shoulder, I get to here, and I got flames rolling off my back. I think we're shutting it down today. I gotta go back home and get clothes now. I'll see you guys when I get back here, I guess. All right, round 3. I got a fire extinguisher with me today. The frame slugs stick out of the back end of the KZ 3/4 of an inch. So that's how much I need to leave here before the bend. So I measured it from the top down, and that's 4.5 inches on either side. It's a little long, but you can always cut more off. No, this isn't bolted down. I don't really like throwing sparks towards the insulation. I've already experienced fire once today. I would really like to have it up closer, farther forward, but I'm afraid to trim it anymore. It's straight and it's square how it sits. And I know I could get a little bit more out of it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it how it is. So where it sits, I'm thinking I'm happy with it. I sit here, handlebars will be down here. There's gonna be, I wanna do a hump on the back of it, so if I bring it up any closer, the seat's gonna be really small. Yeah. I think I'm happy with that. I think I like that. So I discovered a welder over here in the corner. Never used a welder before. I think we're gonna pull this thing out and figure out how to weld today. Make some nice looking booger welds, but you know what? Grinders and paint hide what a welder ain't. Man, I'm really just not having a good day. Got a big old piece of metal in my eye. Apparently my glasses aren't safety glass enough. I'm telling you guys, I don't like being here by myself one bit. This place, I'm not even playing, is haunted as you know what. See, I just heard the door alarm go off again. I was grinding there, I heard voices. Nobody's here, but weird stuff happens all the time. I thought I was hearing voices last night. That light up there will start swinging, and then this door will open and close. And then when you're out here, you'll start hearing footsteps coming from upstairs. Place is kind of freaky to be in. Don't want to turn this thing back on, but I absolutely cannot feel my hands. I'm gonna try welding this together now. I already caught myself on fire today and got metal in my eye, so we're gonna see what happens with this. I watched a couple YouTube videos though, I feel pretty confident. And I found this mask too. I think this is good for welding. We'll find out when I wake up blind tomorrow. I found gloves. I really don't know what I'm doing, but this is pretty cool. That's great. That's way too fast. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Down the string speed a little more. When my heart was on the ground, I thought time. Let's try bumping this speed up just a little bit. I don't think this mask is for welding. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made us out. Damn, it's like almost there. What do I need to do? These are some ugly ass welds, but every time I touch the thing to the thing, it makes more sense. I know I've got a lot of grinding to do, but I'm just learning how to do this. I think I figured it out. Too fast now. Oh, it happened. We were in a good groove there. Everything was working. I hit it for a split second and was getting it really well. And then nothing's working. I'm sure Well, I was able to get through welding without anything spectacular happening. My other camera, the SD card filled up on it, so I gotta film the outro on this. Rear C-hoops on. Doesn't look absolutely horrible. Obviously, it wasn't done by a professional, but I did it myself, and got to experience my first time welding. So that was pretty cool. Definitely want to learn how to do more of that, weld some more stuff in the future. But if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for some more, and you'll get to see what we do with this bike. We're finally getting rolling on it after it's been sitting for so long. We'll see you in the next video.